It's the big Monday in the parliament because remember the budget discussions are still on and Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi, according to our sources, may intervene on the budget discussion today. Why today is significant is Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman will be replying on the budget in the Lok Sabha. That could happen today or tomorrow in the afternoon, but will also propose to pass the first budget of Modi government 3.0. So Rahul Gandhi is likely to be, as a leader of opposition, likely to intervene on the budget discussion today. Will it be fireworks? Will it be some important crisp points that Rahul Gandhi will have with him as he will likely speak in the Lok Sabha today? Remember that as Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman is set to propose to pass the first budget in Modi 3.0, it will be pertinent because opposition has immediately targeted the budget right when it was announced as, is it Andhra Pradesh Bihar budget? Why have other states not found a mention? Why other opposition states have not found a mention? Was one big rhetoric as a counter to the budget that was announced by the Finance Minister. But because Nirmala Sitharaman has now presented record budgets in the past few years with regard to as the BJP government's finance minister, there is going to be a heightened opposition attack because increased numbers for the India bloc. Piyush Mishra joins me to update us on that. Piyush, what will be, do you think, the strategy of Rahul Gandhi as LOP or for the India bloc? Because is it confirmed now that he's in all likelihood will be speaking today in the Lok Sabha?
Well, certainly, Pooja, what we are now learning is that Rahul Gandhi is going to make an intervention. He will be speaking during the discussion on budget, which is likely to begin after 2 p.m. Before that, there are various processes those have to be done. And during the discussion of budget, we can expect Rahul Gandhi also to put forth his views on the discussion on budget. What we're also learning is that the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman is likely to speak also after the 3 p.m. and then in Rajya Sabha she will speak. But it's going to be very interesting as to what Rahul Gandhi says. We have seen as to how the various opposition parties have spoken out on the budget. In fact, they also protested against the budget on the very next day when the budget was tabled. It will be very important to see what Rahul Gandhi says and how the government is going to counter what he says.
All right, Piyush, keep tracking all the latest on this because as we bring you the latest on LOP, Rahul Gandhi likely to speak in the Lok Sabha today and to be a part of the budget discussion. Piyush, thank you very much for